Welcome to our today's video. It's Jan here from BecomingTraderFX.com, and we are on the 22nd of September 2025. In today's trading session, in the London particularly, we were looking for potential long trade on the GBP US dollar. So this was the trade, as you can see, during the London trading session. We had actually London Continuation Trade. So for those who are in my mentoring program, understand that this is a particular trading setup when the market already swept the Asian session range and also the hard time frames liquidity level. This is the 50-minute time frame, and we will go to the lower time frames later on. But to give you an idea on the lower time frames first, we were looking for of course, for a long trade on this shift to the upside on the 50-minute time frame with the stop loss below the structure, below this higher low, and then we were looking for 1 to 2 in terms of risk and reward ratio trade. So in this case, of course, we will start of the hard time frames of the daily. So if you have watched my weekly forex forecast video, you understood that we were looking for potential bounce to the upside on today's trading day. There were many levels that we will also discuss on the 4-hourly and 1-hourly time frames, but on the daily what we saw was of course this down move, and price approached some levels of support here, and starting with the new trading week we are looking for potential bounce back up higher. 4-hourly time frame, that's where those levels will be visible more clearly. On the 4-hourly, if you have watched my weekly video, we saw that price is of course pushing to the downside, but we had some beautiful bullish imbalances as well, some previous swing lows, and in combination with the trading price action during the Asian session, we saw nice formation of support down there. Market swept the hard time frames liquidity, the sell side liquidity level, in combination with this bullish imbalance from start of August, and the idea was clear that we want to start looking for potential bounce back up higher. 1-hourly time frame, that's where we also you can see we had as you can see, if we take a look at the start of the trading session, you can see market form this support here, lower high there, and when we were approaching the early, let's say, London pre-session, we saw the sweep of liquidity. Previous 4-hourly, 1-hourly lows were swept, and then market pushed to the upside, broke those short-term highs. And if you go to the 50-minute time frame, we can see that here we had 4-hourly liquidity, we had also 1-hourly liquidity, previous swing lows, and of course during the Asian session range, this is our accumulation. We saw nice manipulation, price swept this Asian session range low and also the 1-hourly liquidity, the previous lows, and then of course in combination with the 4-hourly liquidity as well, we had nice shift to the upside with the new highest market. If you go to the 1-hourly time frame as well to see the price action more clearly, you can see that price also broke this swing high to the upside. So this is something just for an extra confirmation. And on the 50-minute time frame, we had beautiful shift to the upside. As you can see, new high, price broke all those short-term highs with a new high, and then market retraced for this higher low, actually, with of course with some bullish imbalances on the way as well. And on this candle close exactly, that's where the London opened, and with the stop loss below this structure, below this higher low, with stop loss of 11 pips, we were looking for nice move of 1 versus 2 in terms of risk and reward ratio trade. So this was really nice, clear, clean setup based on the hard time frames structure. As we said, so this is very important when you're doing your preparation. before the London trading session opens. Of course, you have to put your levels on to see where is, of course, good area to start looking for potential, of course, shifts in the market structure on the lower time frame. So in this case, we had beautiful structure, beautiful formation at those lows, and we had really nice shift to the upside in combination with the lower time frames. So we had nice move to the upside, and this is the goal. You want to be, let's say, prepared ahead for the trading session. And if the market is doing what you want to see, then of course you want to take action with the, of course, with the discipline, with the patience to follow your trading plan rules. And with the right trading mindset, with the right risk management, you will be successful. Of course, not every trade will be a winning one, and this is, of course, if every winning trade will be there, that of course will, let's say, will not be interesting to trade if you will know in advance that every trade can be a winning one. But with, let's say, 50-60% win ratio and with nice risk and reward ratio, of course you can be successful on the long term. But the key is that you're consistent with your execution, consistent with your preparation, and then of course you have to just be disciplined to execute your trades, journal every trading idea, and of course review and continue doing that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something from this video, and then we'll catch up, of course, in the next trading video and sessions. Take care.